Alrighty, if y'all remember, about a year ago, we did this. Yeah, we did that with the frickin' Tao 110. Yeah, that thing is no longer with us. But we got this. So now that we got the 250, the frickin' Chinese beast, it only really makes sense to do it again. Alright, we're at the spot. Probably recognize it from part 1 of this shindig. But it's perfect because there's already this. But last time, we hung that. So now, all the work I already did like last year, all I have to do is like hook the handlebars to that one and hook the, I guess this rear subframe. I don't even know if this is metal. Probably some Chinese metal. But in theory, this should be easy. See if we can do it. Dude, this whole place is a death trap. Luckily, I come prepared. This should take care of them. Boys, I've been hit. Ugh, this stuff sucks. Oh. Oh, we smoked them. Drink you some of that. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's make a swing. Here is Dirtbike swing Model 1. I'm pretty proud of it. Think it's gonna work. We got 2 main ropes from last year. Got a smaller rope hooked into that little carabiner that was, you know, conveniently there. Tied on each side of the handlebar. The back, pretty much the same thing. Kind of weaved into the subframe. I don't really know what I did here, but I think it might work. And put one of these little doohickeys up there just cause, I don't know, might help. Keep in mind, last time we did this, we did it with an automatic, so there was no clutch we had to worry about stalling it. We also did it with a 110. This is a manual, and it's a 250, so pretty big stinking difference. I think my design could be improved upon. I just keep on doing burnouts. I don't remember what we did last time to where we actually got, you know, some serious swinging going on, but. Oh. The heck kind of rope is this? Just snapped. Oh shoot, there's a wasp. Where's my spray? Gosh, son. Alright, we switched to just one rope up there in hopes that the bike kind of pendulums better, if you catch my drift. Alright, new plan. This is actually a lot harder than it looks. This current design, first we went from 2 ropes, that one and I mean this one. It kind of worked, but the bike just goes straight up and then just comes straight crashing down. We need to go up, and then we need to be able to like use our body and whip it into a 180, and then be able to come this side, rev it, do it again, and keep the momentum going, get higher and higher each time. Plus it's super sandy over here and like uneven and just overall crap. So new plan, take this rope, throw it over that branch, and do it right here. Alright, you're probably wondering, what in the world's going on? I just drove the dirt bike on top of a boat because, I mean, it was the most convenient way to get it up elevated off the ground, so that now I can just come and casually tie these two ends to the handlebars. Uh-oh, this is actually the most promising setup yet. The only thing left to do is see if it works. Hello? I didn't go ham because I want to stop and assess everything. Knots are holding strong. This isn't looking so good, but tree isn't falling. Down. Now slowly let out. No, that was quick. Now gas it. Yeah. We ain't got no traction. Oh, my board. Yep. There you go. She rolling?
She is live.
Wait there. Come on. Built for tough.
That ain't the most American thing I've ever heard. I don't know what it is. That didn't sound a good, healthy stop.
Oh, stop. Oh. It just flipped that John. This kid's trying to kill me. Oh my God. Ah, no, he's gonna flip it again. What's your deal? Alright, just cut the swing down. I'm really sorry I couldn't get more air. Anytime that back tire hit the ground, it just dug a giant trench like right here. And I mean, it just doesn't work like that. It just does burnouts. No matter if I raised the bike up higher, dropped it lower. So a combination of it being underpowered, too dry, and probably just too heavy to really get up there and like throw your body around and use it. Maybe we'll try again when it like actually rains instead of just frickin' sand dunes here. So if you want to hit the old thumb down there, comment anything you want me to do. See y'all on the next one.